Good morning. Hope you all are well and staying at home, staying safe. Welcome back to GK class. Today we are going to do the GK pages, page number 49, 59 and 68. These pages are related to the space, chemistry and computers. The first page is space quiz, second is the chemistry of it, and third is IT queries. These pages are having filling the blanks and you have to fill the blanks according to the statement given on the related pages. Let's start with the first page, page number 49. Open your books at page number 49 and fill the blanks. The questions are related to the space. First question is, name the planet which is known as the hottest in solar system. Presently 96.5% of its atmosphere is carbon dioxide. This planet name is Venus. Write down Venus, Venus. Second, on which planet is the largest volcano in the solar system, the Olympus Mons, located? This famous volcano is located on the Mars planet. Write down the name Mars. Name the sandstorm on Jupiter which is twice as wide as the Earth and has been ranging for more than 150 years. The name is Great Red Spot. Great Red Spot. Fourth statement, the Hubble Space Telescope found evidence of an underground saltwater ocean on one of the Jupiter's moon, which is also the largest satellite in the solar system, and name that moon is Ganymede, Ganymede. Hope you all have written down these four answers. Fifth one, scientists have proposed a model which states that the universe was created 13.8 billion years ago due to a state of high temperature and density. What is the name of the model? The name of the model is Big Bang model. Write down Big Bang model. Sixth is, which is the closest spiral-shaped galaxy located 2.5 million light year away from the Milky Way galaxy? You all are aware of Milky Way galaxy. This another spiral-shaped galaxy is 2.5 million years away from the light years away from the Milky Way. The name is Andromeda. Write down Andromeda. Seventh, this planet derived its name from Roman god of message, as the fast speed at which it revolves around the sun was thought to be speed at which message was delivered by the god. The name is Mercury. Eighth, what was the term coined by the John Wheeler for the strong gravitational field left behind after the death of a star which does not allow even a light to escape from its field? The name is black hole. The name of this is black hole. Hope you all have written down this page. Next page is page number 59, chemistry of it. Many scientific statements has been given. You have to tell whether they are true or false. Then you have to fill in the blanks. First is, steel was first used by human as a substitute for the stone in Neolithic period. The statement is false because copper was the first used by the humans. Copper was the first substitute used by the humans for the stone. Second is, gold is element used in developing photographic negatives. This is a false statement because silver is used as element for developing the photographic negative. Silver is used. Third is, lime juice contains citric acid. This is true statement. Lime juice is acidic in nature and it contains citric acid. Fourth one, substances such as caustic soda, baking soda are bases, chemical opposite to the acids. This is true statement. Caustic soda and baking soda both are bases. Fifth one, paper chromatography is the method used to separate chemical mixture on the basis of colors. This is a true statement because in the chromatography we separate the components of a mixture on the basis of the color. Sixth is glycogen is the common name of ethylene glycol. Glycogen is the common name of ethylene glycol. This is a false statement because the common name is antifreeze. Common name is antifreeze for ethylene glycol. Air is an element. It is false because air is a compound mixture. It is a mixture of many elements and compounds. Eighth, nitrous oxide is known as laughing gas. Very interesting question. This gas is known as the laughing gas. It is a true statement. Someone who will smell the nitrous oxide will start laughing. It is called laughing gas. Ninth statement, rock salt is a mixture of common salt and artificial food coloring. Ninth statement is false. 10th, the molecule in a gas move in only one direction. It is a false statement. They move in all the direction randomly. Hope you all have written down the true false. Now it's time for filling the blanks. Dash is the lightest, simplest and most commonly found chemical element in the universe. The name is hydrogen. Hydrogen element. Second, the chemical elements are organized in order of increasing atomic numbers in the periodic table. One table has been made for the chemical elements and those elements are arranged in the increasing atomic number. This table is known as periodic table. Solid carbon dioxide is also called dry ice. Question 4. At minus 40 degrees Celsius, dash and Celsius scale show the same reading. Fahrenheit and Celsius scale, both the temperature scale will show the same reading at minus 40 degrees Celsius. Fifth, the chemical process in which a substance goes from being in solid state to the gaseous state is called sublimation. In the sublimation, solid state directly changes into gaseous state. Sublimation. Sixth is, an acid mixture that dissolves the gold is called aqua regia. This is a special liquid in which gold can be dissolved easily. It is aqua regia. 7. Plaster of Paris, the fine white powder used for cast and molds, is produced by heating the gypsum. GYPSUM, gypsum. 8. Dash comes in number of different forms. These include diamond, graphite and impure form of coal. This is carbon. All these are allotropes of carbon. Diamond, graphite and coal are allotropes of carbon. Dash is an extremely rare element that gets its name from a Greek word means stranger. The name of the gas is xenon. 10. The solubility of a gas in water dash with increase in temperature. It always decreases with increase in temperature. Hope you all have written down the true false of the page, the chemistry of it. Now page number 49 and 59 are done. Next page which we are going to do is IT queries. Page number 68. The questions are related to computers. First statement, which operating system was introduced by Bill Gates' company Microsoft? The operating system you use to do work with is Windows. Second, which element is the primary component in the computer microchips? The name of the element is silicon. Third is, to type the capital letters on the computer keyboard, which key should be kept pressed along with the letter keys? We always used to keep pressed the shift key. Write down shift. Fourth one, which word describe a person who gains the illegal access to the computer? The name of that person will be hackers. Who is the world's first computer program? IBM. Sixth, in computer technology, what does MB stands for? MB stands for megabyte. Megabyte. Seventh, which holding company founded in 2015 is the present company of the Google, is the parent company of the Google? Alphabet Inc. Write down the name. Alphabet Inc. Which device enable the computer to communicate with each other across the telephone cable? This is modem. M-O-D-E-M, modem. Very simple questions has been given. Hope you all have written down. Now see some tabs has been given, some keys, some shortcut keys has been given. You have to learn this also from the page number 68 from the tidbits, like Control plus S, Control plus C. These are the keys which are used in computer widely. So you have to learn these keys also. Thank you and have a nice day. Hope you all have done and you have to complete your GK work. Thank you.